If you tell any self-proclaimed car enthusiast that the BMW Z4 is a genuinely better roadster than the Porsche 718 Boxster, they will probably laugh in your face. For decades, car magazines and internet snobs have blindly crowned Porsche as the undisputed king of open-top sports cars. In this video, we are going to tear down that elitist reputation and look at the real engineering, financial, and daily driving facts that prove the BMW Z4 is actually the superior choice. Make sure you stay tuned until point number 4 because the engine reliability data between these two German roadster power plants is going to completely shock you. But before we get into that mechanical reliability debate, we need to address the massive elephant in the room: the astronomical price gap. When you look at the base price of a Porsche 718 Boxster, it might seem competitive on paper at first glance. However, buying a Porsche without adding essential factory options is practically impossible. By the time you add basic features like heated seats, adaptive cruise control, keyless entry, and a leather dashboard, the Boxster's price explodes into six-figure territory. Dealerships will charge you thousands of dollars extra for simple visual details like colored seat belts or painted wheel caps. The Porsche option list is engineered to drain your bank account before you even drive the vehicle off the showroom floor. You quickly realize that the advertised starting price is a complete marketing fantasy designed to pull you into the showroom. On the flip side, the BMW Z4 comes standard with a massive list of luxury features right off the factory floor. You get a premium infotainment system, full leather sports seats, advanced driver assistance, and superior tech packages without paying a single extra penny. Why spend tens of thousands of dollars extra just to have a crest on your hood that offers fewer standard features? Do not click away just yet, because the engine sitting under the long hood of the Z4 M40i is where BMW completely embarrasses Porsche. If you buy a base or mid-spec Porsche Boxster today, Porsche forces you to accept a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that sounds like a noisy lawnmower. Enthusiasts spent decades loving Porsche for their flat-six engine noise, but Porsche hid that famous sound behind an insane price tag on higher-tier models. That 4-cylinder Boxster engine lacks the emotional mechanical scream that made classic German roadsters famous in the first place. When you step on the gas, it produces a dull industrial drone that sounds more like a family hatchback than a high-end luxury sports car. It is a massive disappointment for anyone spending serious money on an exotic open-top vehicle. Meanwhile, BMW equips the Z4 M40i with the legendary B58 3-liter inline-six engine straight out of the box. This inline-six engine produces a deep mechanical roar, buttery smooth power delivery, and effortless low-end torque. You get a glorious, authentic 6-cylinder soundtrack every time you step on the gas pedal without taking out a second mortgage on your house. Drop a comment below right now and tell me, would you rather have a smooth inline-six engine in a Z4 or a 4-cylinder engine in a Boxster? If you are enjoying this real-world comparison, stick around because the transmission options make this battle even more intense. For years, Porsche purists bragged about their manual gearboxes and lightning-fast dual-clutch transmissions. But BMW listened directly to driving purists and introduced a fantastic 6-speed manual option for the Z4 M40i. This manual gearbox was specifically tuned to pair perfectly with the monster torque of the B58 engine. Engineers recalibrated the pedal placement, clutch engagement, and shift linkage specifically to deliver crisp mechanical gear changes. It gives you that raw, tactile, mechanical connection to the drivetrain that modern sports cars are rapidly losing. You get total control over your gear shifts while enjoying modern luxury, creating a perfectly balanced driving experience. Shifting through the gears on a twisty back road with the top down provides pure automotive bliss. It proves that BMW still cares deeply about driver engagement rather than just turning every vehicle into an automatic computer on wheels. Driving the manual Z4 gives you a level of physical involvement that modern paddle-shift sports cars simply cannot match. Now, let us talk about point number 4, which is the long-term reliability and maintenance factor. The BMW B58 inline-six engine has earned a global reputation for being one of the most durable, bulletproof engines built in modern history. Toyota even trusted this exact BMW engine and chassis setup to power their flagship Supra sports car after brutal durability testing. Automotive journalists and independent mechanics constantly praise the B58 for its incredible block strength, reliable cooling systems, and robust internal components. It handles heavy daily driving and aggressive track use without overheating or blowing expensive gaskets. It is arguably the most dependable performance engine produced by any European manufacturer in the last 20 years. Porsche Flat 4 and Flat 6 engines are notoriously expensive to repair, with labor rates that will make your jaw drop. Because the Boxster uses a mid-engine layout, basic mechanics cannot easily access simple components without dropping the entire rear subframe. Replacing simple parts like belts, spark plugs, or water pumps turns into a massive multi-thousand-dollar nightmare at the repair shop. The Z4 features a traditional front-engine layout with a long sweeping hood that lifts up for easy mechanical access. Independent mechanics can easily service the inline-six engine, saving you thousands of dollars in routine maintenance over your ownership period. You spend far more time enjoying your Roadster on the open road and significantly less time stressing over shop bills. Beyond reliability, there is another huge advantage to the Z4 that Porsche owners rarely like to talk about: real-world daily usability. A mid-engine car like the Boxster forces you to split your cargo space between a tiny front trunk and a small rear compartment. Packing luggage for a long weekend trip with a passenger turns into a frustrating game of real-life Tetris. The rear trunk of the Boxster also absorbs massive heat directly from the engine compartment sitting right next to it. If you put groceries, soft bags, or delicate electronics in the back, they can easily get cooked during a long drive. It is an annoying design drawback that severely limits your ability to use the car for normal everyday errands. The BMW Z4 offers a traditional deep trunk that stays spacious and cool regardless of whether the convertible top is up or down. You can easily throw in 2 full-size golf bags, large suitcases, or a heavy week of grocery shopping without any hassle. It is a genuine high-performance sports car that you can comfortably commute in every single day of the week. Inside the cabin, BMW's iDrive infotainment system completely destroys Porsche's aging interior screen technology. The digital dashboard displays are clear, the physical shortcut buttons are intuitive, and wireless smartphone integration works seamlessly. Sitting inside the Z4 feels like stepping into a modern luxury jet, while the entry Boxster interior feels like a decade-old parts bin. The cabin materials in the BMW feel thick, plush, and built to survive years of harsh exposure to sunlight with the top down. The sports seats offer exceptional side bolstering for fast cornering while keeping your lower back comfortable on 6-hour highway road trips. It strikes an incredible balance between aggressive track support and high-end luxury cruiser comfort. When you take both cars out on public roads at legal speeds, the Z4 shines as the superior GT cruiser. The suspension soaks up rough pavement bumps effortlessly, keeping your spine comfortable during long highway road trips. Yet, when you throw the Z4 into dynamic sport mode, the chassis stiffens up and handles sharp mountain corners with absolute precision. The Porsche Boxster is undoubtedly a razor-sharp track tool engineered to chase lap times on a closed racing circuit. But how often do you actually drive your personal vehicle on a professional racetrack? 99% of Roadster owners drive on paved highways, suburban streets, and winding back roads where ride comfort matters far more than lap times. The BMW Z4 gives you 95% of the cornering capability of the Boxster, but pairs it with far better ride comfort, superior technology, and a much better soundtrack. It does not try to be an uncomfortable, stripped-out race car for snobbish track purists. It embraces what a real Roadster should be: fun, stylish, comfortable, fast, and incredibly rewarding to drive every day. When you step back and add everything up, the bulletproof engine, superior standard features, lower maintenance costs, usable trunk space, and lower overall price, the truth is clear. The BMW Z4 is not just a worthy alternative to the Porsche Boxster. It is objectively the better vehicle for real-world car enthusiasts. It is time to stop blindly following brand hype and start appreciating great engineering values. The Z4 delivers an unforgettable open-air experience without forcing you to make massive financial or daily usability sacrifices. It proves that BMW still knows how to build an emotional, driver-focused sports car that respects your wallet. It stands as one of the best-kept secrets in the modern performance car market today. If you enjoyed this honest sports car comparison and want to discover more automotive breakdowns, buyer guides, and honest car reviews, hit that subscribe button right now. Also, do not forget to check out the special links in the description below to support the channel and join our growing community of car lovers. Until next time, stay passionate, enjoy the open road, and I will see you in the very next video.